Hello everyone and welcome to spring of 2019. Sorry I look a bit of a mess, but I have been outside enjoying this lovely spring-like day in the middle of January. My name is Tina Freeman and I'll be your instructor for Global Health, Health 280 this semester. I wanted to take this opportunity to let you know how excited I am to be teaching this course. This is about, I think, my sixth semester teaching it, and I love this topic. I love teaching it. I love talking about it. I hope that I can convey that passion onto you and that you develop the same love for the subject that I have. Please feel free to send me any questions that you may have. This is a very low-key, kind of informal class setting. I really want to open up dialogue and discussion. So if you do have any questions that you would like to email me, my email address is tinafreeman@cwidaho.cc. I'm really looking forward to learning with all of you, and let's have a great semester together. Thanks.